Welcome to the third and final video in VantageScore's model implementation series. In this episode, we'll focus on operational implementation and working with partners to get a new model accepted across an enterprise. Step 1 will always be to discuss migration with your credit bureau partner. Credit scores are the output of models built from data in a consumer's credit file. The credit bureau is the source of that data. Instances of data usage often include a retroactive scoring exercise when first deciding whether to switch scoring models. This involves comparing archived scores with consumer loan performance over the following 24 months. Conducting a comprehensive rescoring when reviewing the credit score cutoff changes is also likely. Credit bureaus are also perfectly positioned to advise you about switching from one credit score to another. Furthermore, it is recommended you consult certain groups early in the migration process. Groups like model governance, fair lending, and compliance can highlight areas of concern. That way, when you evaluate the model and perform the analysis for implementation, you can be sure to address questions raised by these oversight groups. Transparency is another core principle of VantageScore. No surprise then that our models are increasingly used to manage risk for a wide range of products. Technology teams or third-party service providers often have their own change management processes. Getting into their work queues early can help you avoid delays when all stakeholders have given the go-ahead. Many lenders also pull scores from both new and incumbent models before and after switching, enabling operational teams to get familiar with the credit scoring data they'll use going forward. For lenders with securitized loans, treasury departments must consider how they present a newly scored portfolio for ratings agencies and investors. Capital market participants can evaluate different models to assess risk when the methodology and output of the model is transparent and proven. Many major U.S. lenders have shared their use of VantageScore models to manage portfolio risk with investors. The reduction in the no-score population that comes with VantageScore's inclusive models provide additional insight to analysts and debt buyers evaluating portfolios. A list of various securitization issuances can be found in the capital markets section of the VantageScore website. Other stakeholders include marketing, new accounts, credit and collections, customer service, finance, public relations. Across these three videos, we've discussed credit scores as a whole, risk management considerations when migrating scores, and the stakeholders involved in the migration process. Ultimately, lenders vary in scale and complexity, meaning the path of credit scoring model migration is not a one-size-fits-all. Speak to your credit bureau partner about the opportunities and benefits to your business of using VantageScore 4.0. Soon, FHFA will require VantageScore credit scores to be used for all mortgages sold to or guaranteed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Get started using VantageScore credit scores today. We are the leaders in predictive power and financial inclusion.